Sujud kat Ali. So pretty.
Like this one.
Cantik. You want to move around? Yeah, move around.
Parents sama. Semuanya wow.
Semua cantik.
Oh, so your wedding? No, it's not. But it's quite similar.
Ni. Dia punya kamera jadi sini tak?
Gila snack dia tadi. Wih, macam lagi janda baik dah ni.
Tempat-tempat lepak.
Besar dah. Paling-paling kerja time apa lunch.
Salah jarinya. Wow. Cak. Cantik ni?
Yeah.
Sana cantik. The colour. Oh my
The colour.
god.
Okay, nice.
Yours came out really nice.
Yeah, I like yours too. Colour warna green, right?
Ayo, campur-campur.
I put splatter.
Oh,
I forgot. I put yellow here.
Oh my god, that looks so nice. This is cute.
So cute.
I like this one. Anna's burger and my burger. Yum!
Anyway, vlog camera ready. Thank you.
Thank you. Ah,
That's mine.
this one is yours, right?
Yeah.
Cantiknya, cantiknya ni punya. Tada! Cantik. Thank you. Wah, cantiknya. Wah.
Excited.
I want to eat.
Our highlight for today, this cake.
Yo, there's like gold stuff on it.
Yeah. I naming I'm
Ih,
gold.
cantiknya. I'm nervous. Oh my god, it's so soft. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Look at this. Mana? Ih, cantiknya. Apa ni? Totoro.
Yeah, Totoro.
Eh?
Spirit Away.
Oh, Studio Ghibli punya book.
Yeah.
Art and Seni. Lekat.
Is it inside?
Ada. Yeah, so basically I'll just bring you guys along, but I can't show much. Oh, you already pressed it. the tiramisu. And one rose. The vanilla. 2, 3. Grand wedding tea. Earl Grey. The lemon. Thank you. Pay by card. Thank you. Yang brown.
Yes. So actually, it's a how I say, it's a series of our studio. Wait I pun dah lupa jap. The first one, the green one is our Tropicana. Wait, no, sorry, that one, that green one is a Tropicana.
After Pilates. Makan.
Everything is like rice, yeah? So that's why we launched our new North Star, inspired from the North Star.
Oh my god.
So this pendant is 14 mm, which is the largest that we have created. So we have the North Star collection, which is the celestial. Everything is like star, moon.
Is this one star as well?
Oh no, this is the actually the Disney
Oh, Disney.
So you can see here we have like shooting stars, like rings. Yeah. So these rings actually can do some stacking, like how I did.
Oh my god, I love that.
Yeah, it's very perfect for stacking.
Wow. Okay. And then.
Our timeless.
Ooh.
This is the newest glue
Wow.
that we created, which is the cauliflower glue. Yeah, it's new to our Pandora family.
Oh my god, this one is nice.
And this one as well. Yes, this is the high demand right now.
Wow, damn.
This is a Cuban chain.
Oh, that's nice.
And then we have the new one, bow platform. Yeah. And these out for the 1 week and it's high demand already.
Wow.
It's too because it's gold, especially the pink earrings.
Earrings. These are so cute.
Yeah. So we have our Celestial and
Celestial, Timeless, and then
this is
Alien.
our Christmas romance collection. So you can see the cute ski. So enjoy, please enjoy everything.
You want your calamari? I'm like so full already.
Oh, sorry, it's chocolate.
Kenapa ni dapat?
This one's hazelnut latte, this one ice latte.
Okay.
Less sugar.
Thank you. Komen. Udah comel kasih you.
Nelly nak gone ni.
Aku dah sani dia.
Dia nak ambil angle kat mana? Angle kat ni. Tak comel lah susun dia.
Tak apa, okey je.
Tak nampak.
Sini dia
Tak
air
apa.
di tepi ya.
Ni pun vlog je.
Oh, dia hasil video.
Yes.
Ada okey Ling.
Yeah, go. Homemade pulut panggang sedapnya. Zoom at her.
Try. Second try.
Oh, third try.
So far.
Why we have the brush to here, but the bread we want to work. But they all have the same scent. Yes. All same scent. It's under two different colors. You see the difference like in the mirror. It's much more natural. Like different.
Yeah.
It's like lifted.
Yeah, it's more lifted.